Tell them to make noise, make noise. Tell them to make noise, make noise. I'm calling you, my son, to make noise. My wife, to make noise. All the friends, make noise, ready. Tell them to make noise. Noise, noise.
Nah, everywhere just scatter. When I tell una say military fit take over Nigeria, una say I don't know which at the top. Ena, see, that was this morning. Now Niger for here, Niger. Now if I do the out that day, military take over. They come and say no, why military go take over democracy for Niger? Our president come and say they want to send our military personnel. May they go fight war. May they go do this one. May they restore back democracy. Everybody come, they dey under tension. May we not call this country. This that. Come they look at that. Now Gabon, don't do their own now. On Wednesday for here now, Gabon can't do their own. Gabon military don't take over now. Say one president they rule there for 50 something years. Well done, ancestors of the country. Wanna see money? Well, hey God, see one president. And I said they loot the country dry. They put straw, they suck the country economy, they suck their money, they loot them, they extort them. Our African leaders, many of our African leaders, the kind thunder when God go send me fire una, a heavy one. Because you people have done more harm than good to Africa. And so now don't loot all our money finish. So they develop other country. What I see now? President for Gabon, they loot people, they extort people. Nobody wanna say, what you they do to Gabon not good now. These people they are not progressing the country, they are not doing well. Nobody talk to them. But now military can't take over now. All the ECOWAS presidents now, they don't send messages. They send who pay me. Our president now can't send. Say what they do for Gabon. You know they have they condemn the act. Condemn the act. But I now condemn the act when one president they rule for 50 years. So that one not reach to know say medicine naive. I not condemn that act. Now let me come back to Nigeria. Military never take over for Nigeria. But what I tell you is the military fit take over for Nigeria. Why I say it fit? Now I explain to you now. Because if you take a look at Nigeria, any president will enter the state where if or not to win election, any state where people say they not to vote time. They go abandon the state. If they like, make the road where they the state, make the scatter finish. If they like, make all the government properties, make anything will happen. You know, concern them. They will just abandon the full state. They have to run, not to win election for that side.
I'm Ali BONGO, Ondimba, President of Gabon. And I'm to send a message to all the friends that we have all over the world to tell them to make noise, For the people here have arrested me. And my family, my son is somewhere, my wife is in another place, and I'm at the residence. Right now, I'm in the residence, and nothing is happening. I don't know what's going on. So I'm calling you to make noise, Thank you. Tell them to